Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Hydroxy B12, 1 mg, 60 lozenges. Product Overview Description: an active intermediate form of vitamin B12 premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free absorbable MyBlueprint dietary supplement GMP Manufacturing quality assured independent testing. Discussion: Hydroxocobalamin is a unique form of vitamin B12, which is more readily converted into coenzyme forms than conventional cyanocobalamin. This allows hydroxocobalamin to serve as an effective broad-spectrum form of vitamin B12. Suggested use: take 1 lozenge under the tongue daily with or without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: xylitol, microcrystalline cellulose, hydroxypropyl cellulose, organic rice syrup, and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings: do not use if seal under cap is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.